horrible one.
Yeah, I know, I just clocked that. I'm gonna
Oh shit.
hold
Oh
back.
shit. Pop.
Oh,
So I stopped.
I think I want to help. Are you alright?
There's a big hole in the road.
I might roll back a little, but I don't know if I should.
I stopped because Paul stopped. Yeah, I'm fine. I went round, Paul stopped. My foot had nowhere to go. That. Yeah. Hold the front brake, please.
Hey?
Hold the front brake.
Yeah, you got it, you got it.
Nope.
No?
Nope. Well, everyone, that's heavy. Do you want to go up?
I might end up dropping it too now.
Keep going as far as you can. Keep going. We're lifting against it. Fairing's broke. No, handguard's broke. That's alright.
I don't know if that car can get behind me.
Right, strike two, yeah? Strike two.
Yeah.
3, 2. Yeah. She's not in gear. I've lost the clutch lever, that's why. Right. Come and do me a favour. Can you press that lever down?
This one?
Yeah. Is it doing anything? No. She won't go in gear. Oh, hello. Now I'm in gear. She just won't start. She's in gear though. I've lost the clutch lever. Yeah. That's no big deal. Mark, turn the phone off, mate. Cut the phone. Cut the phone! Okay. Yeah, push.
I keep trying to put it down so I can go down, but...
I stopped because you stopped.
I come around that corner, I seen that big hole, and I had to try and cut inside the hole.
I stopped, went to put my left leg down, there was no left leg.
So, and I couldn't get, I had to slip the clutch, crank it round. I lost momentum. In gear?
Yeah.
Well, after you got off.
Thanks. I'm never going to turn the bike round here. How am I going to turn the bike round here? It's alright. Everything's good. It did what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
It did. It's only that. I'm sorry, mate. I literally stopped for you because you stopped. Put my foot down. He couldn't move his bike. He couldn't move his bike. I mean, it was just him on it.
That's me on it. The back wheel's spinning. So do you
You got it?
Can I stand down?
No, I can't.
That's clutch.
That's...
Is it in gear?
Yeah, it's in gear. I need to get this down though.
Don't worry about the side stand.
Are you sure? Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. That was madness. That'll do. I'm on the brakes.
well done.
I've got the brakes. Sorry, Rob. I've got the brake.
God.
I've got the brake.
Right.
Is she on the side stand, yeah?
Yeah, I think so, stand.
Can I start her up?
Stand up.
You got it?
Hang on. Yeah, I got the front brake. Where am I going to where Ian's bike is?
Well, the wide bit is down there.
Oh, further. Alright. See you at the wide bit. I'm going.
Whoa. That's going to be the... You got it? Mine's going to be a... Same again. See that big pile of gravel? That's where I put my foot. You got the brake, mate? Yeah. Right, back into there. Right. Yeah. You're going to have all this weight though, mate.
Got my bike.
I don't want to drop the other side.
Got that back.
I didn't want to turn it without more than one person on that side.
You want to take the brake and...
I've got the clutch. Oh, yeah, there you go, see? Yeah. Go down a bit. Just keep going down. Because it's all brake and clutch now, isn't it? I'm going to put it in gear now. So it's all you. Because that's a bit harsh. Alright? Yeah. Right, it should be you now. Bit of brake, be handy. Should be in gear now. Yay! Well, YouTube, that was my off. First one on the Africa Twin. Too close to pull, really, my fault. But there you go. Ta-da! Great, you see my boot slipping, even with just no gravel.
You're right.
Yeah, arm hurts, that's all right.
And you got it all on camera.
Yeah.
Cut the phone! Watch the pothole on the second bend.